Hi, I'm Dan Dawson, the owner of Kwik Plumbers, and I'm standing here today with Donna Elliott. We're in Hollywood, Florida, and she's pretty happy about the results with her plumbing system. And we were called over here because all of her pipes were completely rotted out. Everybody has that problem, obviously, lately with cast iron, but her kitchen was failed so bad it was crumbling in our hand. It was like sand. It was not even close to being lined. So we were able to do a reroute with all the pitch and the plumbing. The plumbing system worked out perfect. And underneath the house was in really rough shape, but we were able to save it. And came out to be a beautiful job. We're wrapping it up today, and I want Donna to tell you how she feels about our company.
Well, I did a lot of research on the pipe plumbing, and I tried to find the person that was the expert at doing this, and Dan and his crew are the experts. They came in here. I've never seen a crew work so hard in my life. It's just amazing, and they've done a fantastic job. They've done it within the time they said they were going to do it. They called back when they were supposed to call back. It's just a pleasure to work with a group that is so professional. So if you're considering doing this, this is the company you want to use. You can even come by and look at what they did here. I have no problem. These guys are awesome.
That's pretty,
I give them 2 thumbs up.
That's pretty impressive. Thank you.